The lesson of today's discussion of module 2 of the same chapter, chapter number 3, and the name is Fiber to Fabric, is trying to understand what is the process of fleece. There are different steps involved in this process. We will discuss individually, such as shearing, washing, sorting, combing or carding, spinning, dyeing. These 6 steps are involved in the processing of fleece. Thereafter, the 2 other involved processes such as weaving, knitting, and the last one is the occupational hazard of wool industry. As we are dealing with the wool fiber, right, there is occupational hazards. Processing of fleece. Fleece is a wool fiber that we get from the sheep. It is the sheep here. It is the processing of preparing the wool fiber, which in future will be used to prepare or make the fabric, the cloth one. Considering this main intention, we should know what are the 6 steps that are involved in this process of preparing the fleece or the wool hair from the sheep body. The first step of this process is shearing. This is the process of removal of the wool hair or wool fiber from the skin of sheep. That's it. And it is done once in a year, mainly in the spring season, and that enables the animal to live comfortably during the warm month. Normally 4 to 5 kg of fleece comes from a single sheep. Generally 4 to 5 kg of fleece comes from a single sheep. The second step involved in this processing of fleece is washing. After shearing, the fleece that have been obtained is to be washed to remove the dirt and the yolk. Now, what is the term yolk mean? The term yolk means it is the fleece of the animal body that is fully covered with an oily layer. That means with an oily layer, the fleece is known as yolk. And under this step, the washing, the main intention is to remove the dirt and the yolk from the fleece. This is the step 2. The third step is sorting or segregating. Under this process, we generally segregate the superior quality of wool, considering the length, the fineness or the softness of the structure of that wool fiber. This is the process of sorting or segregating. As we know, the variety of wool differs with the different breeds of sheep. and the fleece obtained from the different parts of the same sheep differs in terms of length, fineness, or the softness. Therefore, considering these variations, such as in terms of length, fineness, this is the third step known as sorting or segregating. The fineness or the fined superior quality wool. Generally, the wool obtained from the shoulder and the underside of the animal is superior as compared to the wool at its back. And sorting is the process of segregating the wool fibers into separate piles of similar structure. This is the step 3. Now in the step 4, the step 4 is known as combing or the carding. Here the fibers after sorting are untangled. Untangled means disassembled. And under this step, the rollers are used so that the fibers are passed through out of it, and we can easily make the wave and the silver. What is wave? This is a flat sheet of fibers. Wave is a flat sheet of fibers which are untangled by the teeth present on rollers. Because rollers are covered with the fine sheet of cloth having thin wire teeth, and these teeth on the rollers untangle the fibers and roll the fibers out into a flat sheet. This flat sheet of fibers will be known as the wave, and this is done by the roller. Now this wave is then thereafter drawn into narrow ropes of fibers. This is known as silver. Clear? Narrow ropes of fibers is known as silver. The flat sheet of fibers is known as wave. And under this step, cording or the combing, this wave and silver are made by using the roller. This step is therefore known as the cording or the combing. The fifth step is the spinning, or we can say in another word, circling or the wheeling. Under this step, the narrow strands or the fibers are passed through spinning machines, where the strands or the fibers are twisted and made into yarn. Hence, we can say spinning is the step of preparing the yarn from the narrow, twisted strand or fibers by passing through into the machine, spinning machines. Clear? And this yarn, or we can say in another word, string. What is a yarn or a string? It is a continuous thread of fiber that is made from a number of fibers. Clear? What is yarn or a string? It is a continuous thread of fiber made from a number of fibers by spinning, and it is used for either weaving or the knitting. Mind it. And this yarn or the string will be used for either weaving or the knitting. The last step of this processing of fleece is the dyeing. Dyeing means coloring. This one. It is the process of coloration of wool fiber, and different types of dyes can be used to prepare different types of colorful wool, and this is the process of dyeing. This is the flow chart or diagram, 6 different types of diagrams of processing of fleece. First one is the shearing of sheaf, removal of, this is the process of removal of hair or the fiber, wool fiber. The second step is washing. Third is the sorting of fiber. Fourth one is the carding or the combing of fleece. Fifth one is the spinning. And the last one is the dyeing of the fleece. Now there are two another different processes of fleece, such as weaving and the knitting. You may consider this picture. It is a process where a great variety of fabric or cloth is made from wool. Mind it, it is the process of making a great variety of fabric or cloth from the wool. And we know that the variety of woolen cloth will depend upon the quality of fiber in the yarn and the number of twists given to make the thread out of it. This is general information we should know regarding the quality of wool, and it says that the variety of woolen cloth or the fabric will depend upon the quality of fiber in the yarn and the number of twists. Clear? And during this weaving process, the 2 sets of yarn are used. How many sets of yarn? 2 sets of yarn are used. One yarn is arranged lengthwise, and this is known as warp, and another is arranged in crosswise, and this is known as weft. During this weaving process, 2 sets of yarn are used. One set of yarn is arranged in lengthwise, and this is called warp, and another one is arranged crosswise, and this is known as weft. And weft is set through a spindle on a shuttle. And the warp and the weft are interlaced, means assembled in this weaving process. Both the warp and the weft are interlaced or assembled by this weaving process. Knitting, it is the process that involves the use of a single yarn only. Examples are pullovers, waist socks are knitted from knitting wool by using machines, or either we can use a pair of needles. Now the characteristics of needle wears are, they are very much stretchable, loose, and comfortable to use or wear. Occupational hazard of health of wool industry laborers is the anthrax disease. This is the most problematic situation for the workers who work in the wool industry, and such kind of problematic situation of illness or diseases are mainly known as either wool sorters disease, or in another word we can say anthrax disease. Anthrax disease, it is a disease of cattle, mainly animal. They carry the causative organism of anthrax disease, that is bacteria. And while people working in the wool sorting department, they are at high risk of acquiring anthrax infection through cuts or any open wound on their body, specifically through their hands. Because bacteria of anthrax can enter into the blood stream through this cut or wound of hands and may cause fatal blood related disease, and this blood related disease is known as anthrax disease or the wool sorters disease in another term. Thanks for watching.